another unboxing video. They're two cute dolls. Here's the Barbie set which we were going to unbox. Let's unbox. The dolls are coming out. Wow! It's so much hard to pull it out. Why isn't it coming? Okay, now let's open it. Yeah, coming out. And we got it. Here's the Barbies. It looks like a cute bag. Wait, why isn't it opening? I think it's slide. Yes. There's a cute mirror and some supplies. It's like a shelf with a cute mirror. Let's open these. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We have a cute crown. A blow dryer. Perfume. Another perfume. A small lovely mirror, one blue cute comb, and another comb, pink ones. Ding ding ding. Just kidding. So these are the accessories which I already have. So I'm just going to decorate them in this shelf. Now let's keep the accessories up. 2 perfumes up. And the mirror too. Oh no. Okay, we'll keep it down. And the crown down. We'll keep the comb, 2 combs down. And the hairband here. And the another comb here, the small bow here, and the hair right up there. And we can let the puppy wear the green hairband. And now I'm closing the shelf. Oops, the hairband fell. We'll leave it beside here. Get in there. I think we need to keep this one carefully. And the another one here. And gloves. If we pack it, we can easily carry it. Now let's open the silk hair doll. Oops. Her hair looks so soft. Now let's hop on the curly hair doll. Hey Barbie, say hello to all my viewers. Hello. Now, she is a flexible doll because her hands move, wrist, elbow, and her hands. Her eyes look really realistic. And she has some rosy lips with long and silk hair which matches Rapunzel hair. And she also has red sandals. They're just like my pink sandals. She has a nice heart and some leaves on her frock. Now we'll check the hairstyle. She has a small ponytail and free hair at the back. And she's totally cute. Another doll. She has pink streaks and so much curly hair. Curls. And she has lovely dark pink dress which has a design at the top. And she also has red shoes. And her eyes really look realistic. It's so beautiful. I loved it. Hi, hello. I like your dress. Yours too. Let's try our accessories. You have some? Yes. Now let's try them. I comb my hair. Here. Comb here. Comb. I want some perfume. I smell good. And I need a nice, lovely ring. The lovely bow ring I have. It even matches my hair and my dress. And this Barbie needs some hair dryer. I think she can hold her own hair dryer. Now Barbie is blowing her hair on by herself. Comb her hair. Keep her crown. Now she's a pretty princess. And now she needs her perfume. I also smell good. Barbies, say bye to our viewers. Bye. Bye. So guys, you saw my Barbie set. But wait, I was searching 2 cute names for my Barbies. If you know, just suggest them in the comment box. So, if you like my Barbie set, press the like button and the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.